The Festberg Cooling Ace is promoted as a small, rechargeable, and energy-saving portable air cooler that uses advanced evaporative tech to quickly and quietly cool rooms. It boasts 3 fan speeds, nearly silent operation, and up to 24 hours of battery life, making it suitable for personal use at home or work. Yet, in 2025, independent tests and customer reviews tell a different tale. The device functions mainly as a small fan with a water tank, delivering weak airflow and hardly any real cooling. Its promises of rapid room cooling and whisper-quiet performance don't hold up in practice. Many users complain about loud noise, flimsy construction, slow shipping, and trouble getting refunds. It's also revealed to be a low-quality imported product rebranded under various labels with misleading claims such as German technology and Made in USA. In summary, the Festberg Cooling Ace seems exaggerated and unreliable, more of a drop-shipping tactic than an effective cooling device. Those looking for genuine relief in hot weather should opt for trusted air conditioners or well-known evaporative coolers.